Okay, now to use a sine rule, the angle will be represented by a capital letter and the length of this side will be represented by a small letter. So you have to remember that the angle and the opposite is the length of it. Alright, so the formula for sine rule is given by this formula, and you can see that the angle here, alright, and here is the length. So this is a pair. So we can use this rule when there is a pair. Alright. For example, I will be doing some examples for you. Alright. Okay, this is a question number 1. As you can see here, the angle is given and we have to find the length of x. Okay, now by using this sine rule, we have to find a pair. Alright, so you can see this angle, the angle over here and the length over here, it appears to be a pair. Alright, so we have to use both of these and substitute in either A or B. Is up to you. Alright, okay, so now this 95 and is the angle and the 10.9 is the length, right? So what we can do here, we can substitute inside this formula. Okay, so we have done the first pair at this side and then it has to be equals with the another pair, which is the 55 and also the x, the length. So sine 55 over x. And now we have to find the value of x. Okay, the x we have to move to the opposite side. It will become multiply. Okay, and then we have to move the sine 95 and the 10.9 to the opposite side. So here is your step. So first we move the 10.9 to the opposite side. So it will become 10.9 sine 55 and then over the sine 95 will be moved down. It will become a divide. Okay, now we can find the value of x. So the value of x that we have obtained over here by using calculator, and you will be getting the answer as 8.963. Okay, make it into a 3 decimal places, and since here is centimeter, so we just have to follow here centimeter. Okay, so I'll be giving you another example. Okay, for the second question here, we have given a pair over here, 105 as the angle, and here is the length 12.5, and here the angle is becoming x, and you can see the pair over here is a 7.2 length. Alright, so by substituting all these values into the sine formula, sine 105 over, okay, you have to use the pair, okay, 12.5, and sine x over 7.2. Okay, so the 7.2 here we have to move up and it will become multiply. And then we find the value, alright, by using calculator. So this value is given by 0.5564 equals to sine x. So we move the sine to the opposite side. It will become sine to the power of inverse of sine to power of -1, and then put a bracket there, 0.5564 equals to x, and we can find this value by using calculator. So make sure you have inversed the sine and put in the value 0.5564, and you'll be getting here the x value as 33.81. Okay, this is the angle for this x. All right.